Ugh, lovely. Look at that shit. Yuck. Fucking hell. Well, my poor lathe needs a service rather badly. It hasn't had one in about 3 years. The oil is bloody so low you can't even see it anymore. Now, to drain the oil, it's bloody right up underneath there. It's so deep, it's past my finger depth there, all the way up inside there, which is an absolute pain in the arse. Also want to clean down all the rust that's on the ways and stuff like that, and yeah, just basically give it a good service. So here we go. So I've got these little abrasive pads. They're not sandpaper. They're just like shit you wash your dishes with. Well, I need to change my oil. This is my indicator, and now it's gotten really low, and I do believe that the sump plug is actually right up fucking under there somewhere. Right up under there it is. What a pain in the ass. Oh dear. Alright. Well, try and crank that out. Oh, bloody hell, this is a pain in the fucking ass. Okay, so I've managed to loosen the nut off. Well, it's a bloody Allen key or a hex, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Now which way was I going? Comes out that way. What a stupid place to put this in. Yep, there we go. Righto, so she's all lubed up, but I have noticed that goes straight through underneath the bed and all around the motor there and just straight into here. So whenever I get the air compressor and I blow the shit off here, it blows straight in here and blows all over my gears. So I think one of the first mods I'm going to be doing very shortly is I'm going to block all this shit off. I'm going to block it off so it's a hell of a lot better as far as crap getting in there and blowing all over the gears. So I'd say that's something I'm going to have a go at soon. Alright, well, stripped it all down, took all the carriage off and everything, the slide, cleaned it, greased it, oiled it, lubed it, hopefully improved it. As you can see, it's pretty clean. It's had a good service. Changed the oil in her. Oh, there we go. Greased it all. Didn't clean up the tools on the bottom of it, but in the tray. But yeah, I'll call that for tomorrow. And yeah, so there you go. That's done. What I want to do in the very, very near future is I want to take all this apart here and I want to attach a separate motor to drive the half nut, the power slide. So then I can just dial up whatever speed I want instead of having to do the gearbox shuffle, which is just silly. So yep, that's alright, well that's a project for another day anyway. Very nice. Okay, well, till next time, you all have a good one. I'll see you around like a Rissole, trendsetters. Ciao, ciao.
Techno.